The Rockville SB12 V2 travel bag is purpose-built for 12-inch powered speakers, giving mobile DJs and gigging musicians a dependable way to move their gear from show to show. Its semi-rigid shell with thick interior foam and extra padding on the top and bottom does a solid job of shielding cabinets from bumps, scrapes, and the occasional careless load-in. A removable foam pillow and included block let you snug up smaller speakers so they do not rattle around, which really helps keep grills, corners, and controls from getting damaged. The exterior material and covered zipper track offer reassuring resistance to light rain and spills, so your speaker is better protected when you are hustling between car and venue. A dedicated side pocket with tightening straps for a speaker stand, plus a roomy front pocket for cables and microphones, means you can consolidate a lot of your setup into one rolling bag. The rolling design and reinforced handles make it much easier to navigate parking lots, stairs, and tight club spaces compared with juggling separate cases and loose accessories.